The out-of-box Windows 11 experience is great, but with these 3 tweaks, you can turn it into the ultimate productivity beast. Here's my exact setup that saves me hours every week. Step 1. Kill the clutter. A messy taskbar means a messy mind. Take a look at your taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Right-click the applications you don't use every day and unpin them. Next, right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Over here, uncheck applications that you don't use. I also like grouping my favorite applications in the Start menu so that I can find them easily. Step 2. Master your file explorer. Time spent digging for files is time wasted. I pin my most active folders to the quick access sidebar just by dragging and dropping it in. This way, I never have to go through the C drive maze and I always have access to my most active folders. Step 3. Separate work from personal by using multiple desktops. Hit the Windows and Tab key and create one desktop for work and another for personal. Now hit Ctrl, Windows and the left or right key to instantly switch between them. And here's a bonus tip. Never manually resize a window again. Just hover your mouse over the maximize button, select the grid you like, and boom! Everything snaps to the grid you selected, making multitasking a breeze. These tips take 5 minutes to set up but will completely change how you use your PC. Now, remember to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Leave a comment down below letting us know your favorite Windows 11 shortcut, and we'll see you in the next video.